And how long's the knot, this run?
A week or 10 days or something.
Aye, that's all right.
Good thing about the boat, I'll maybe just jump on when the time comes.
That's it.
That's the good thing about it.
Yeah.
So I'll come down for New Year. Go home for a right good tear at Christmas time, and up until Christmas is great fun in Shetland. There's aye stuff on.
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
And bits of Christmas parties and that, so that's good fun. And then it's more peaceable after Christmas and into Boxing Day and that, and a few days after that's kind of fine. I'll just spend that with me folk, and then maybe come down for New Year and see what happens then. Yeah, who knows? Yeah, then we'll be launched into 2024.
24, okay.
Yeah, see what happens.
Yeah.
So, yeah, but I've been home 2 or 3 times already this year, so
that's good.
It's been good, yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
So, recharge the Shetland battery.
Well, kind of thing, yeah. It's good. And it's different. In the summertime, it's more go, and it's good to get that, go fishing and go outdoorsy kind of way. And in the winter time, it's more paceable and you can just sit.
Yeah. No, it's the
yarns and that, and just speak to folk. It's good.
Yeah.
It's good social.
Yeah. No, there's a definite quality about, like, kind of this time. I guess this time of year when it's like you're not gonna get anything done, and see.
Exactly.
The sun's no likely to come up.
It's no. It's a good excuse to do awful little.
Okay. Yeah.
I think the mobile phone became more important during those 2 years. So
I think I acquired one over that period, in fact.
You had never had a phone before?
No, I did. I had one, but like the last thing I'd had, then I'd lost.
Right.
And hadn't replaced it because it would keep getting ahead of me. So
good fun getting ahead of me.
Yeah. No.
I mind Andrew Gifford. He just bides in Scotland. We were speaking about this, and when he first came down, he's a couple of years below us. When he first came down, he was biding in halls of residence, and you used to have to phone. I would have to phone a payphone, and anybody would answer, and I would say, I'm looking for Andrew Gifford, but whatever. Oh yeah, I'll go and knock on his door and we'll run away. He's no in. So somebody would have to leave a message. Chris phoned for you, Andrew, and then about 2 days later, Andrew would come with the payphone and, hi boy, was they phoning? Yeah man, does he want to go for a pint? So I'm not saying it was exactly like that, trying to get a Had D pre-pandemic, but it wasn't that far away.
It wasn't far off, but no.
I was kind of blind when we finally got a mobile, or at least he told me the number. But I was very respectful of your privacy for the first 6 months. I thought this is a new thing, and I didn't want to just phone you on the mobile phone 24/7 every time I had something to say. But then after that, I forgot that, and I just phoned you.
Well, that's no, I'll let you pick up for D-Boy. That's for sure. Yeah. There's some numbers that. And that's a good thing, of course, with the new technology. You can what it is, or you can either you can what it is, or you kind of don't know. Want you to can what it is, then so you can. Whereas with the old landlines, then you just take them.
Yeah. Potluck. Could be anybody. Could you imagine?
Am I going to pick it up, or am I going to let the bloody thing ring? So that's all progress.
Certainly is. Certainly is.
Whether it's forwards or backwards, it's all progress.
Yeah.